Once flash fried to a perfect crisp, the Tarantula Crispies Premium Snack is immediately packaged for optimal freshness.
A thermal camera captures the immediate surface temperature of these deep frozen specimens, confirming their core temperature. This massive, climate-controlled room ensures the slow, controlled thawing of our tarantula specimens, preventing any condensation damage.
The stabilization racks move into the surgical environment, where high-precision laser scalpels and micro-suction tubes prepare for the
Guided by optical sensors, the micro-robotic arm performs the precise removal of the venom glands.
Through targeted suction, the high-protein material is extracted and channeled into the hopper, ensuring the complete separation of derivatives for process A and B. A perfectly calibrated cloud of salt and garlic base dusts the tarantulas before the robotic brushes ensure even distribution.
A second, lighter dusting of premium fine salt and garlic powder is applied robotically, finalizing the intense.
The rigorous automated cleaning cycle of Process A is underway. High-pressure steam and sterilizing agents
The final pallets of Tarantula Crispies are loaded onto transport, completing the logistics phase.
Secured with a tamper-evident quality seal, the carton is finalized. This brightly colored mark ensures integrity during transit.
With the completion of Process A,
The refined, sterile protein paste derived from the Aphonopelma tarantula viscera is pumped into large
The mixing process is critical for ensuring the product performs consistently when used by the customer. As the secondary manufacturing phase concludes, Zone B is systematically cleared, ensuring only finished goods remain for final delivery.
Just a little further.
Bay is clear, all secure.
Loaded with Aphonopelma high-protein feed additive, the Process B truck completes the final phase of distribution, ensuring the product reaches the market.
Here at the facility, the high-protein feed additive begins its journey through the customer usage phase, handled with precision by robotic automation. The Aphonopelma protein powder is introduced into the formulation process, demonstrating its seamless integration as
This data confirms the high quality of the Aphonopelma batch. We are very satisfied with Process B.
The continuous demand for the Aphonopelma supplement powers this facility, highlighting the necessity of this revolutionary feed additive.